Hello, today I will guide you on how to fix the Windows activation error 0xc004f012. Step 1, open File Explorer and access System folder. Open the search menu and type File Explorer. Click on this PC in the left panel. Open the local disk where Windows is installed, usually local disk C. Navigate to the Windows folder and open it. Step 2, rename the Tokens.dat file. Inside the Windows folder, find System32 and open it. Scroll down to find the SPP folder, then open the Store folder inside. Open the to0 folder and locate the Tokens.dat file. Right-click Tokens, Date, select Rename, or press F2 on the keyboard. Rename Tokens, Date to Tokens, Old, and press Enter. If prompted by User Account Control, click Yes. Step 3, restart Windows Activation Service. Open the search menu, type CMD. Right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. In the Command Prompt window, type the following command and press Enter. Restarts the Windows Activation Service Software Protection Platform Mini SPP, which manages Windows licensing and activation. Next, type the following command and press Enter. Reinstalls Windows license certificates to fix activation issues. Step 4, restart your computer. If Windows is activated, you will see the status Windows is activated in the activation section of settings. Step 5, check Software Protection Service. Open Search, type Services, then click on the Services result. Find Software Protection Service. Double-click to open its settings. Ensure Startup Type is set to Automatic or Automatic Delayed Start. If the service is running, click Stop, then click Start again. After following these steps, the Windows activation error 0xc4f012 should be resolved. Good luck!